Hello everyone and welcome back to Social Media. I'm your host, Bren Ash. Today, we have the pleasure of diving into the fascinating world of WhatsApp. Joining me is Elira Thorne, a brilliant mind in injury rehab with a wealth of experience not just in the clinical space but also an adept understanding of digital communications. Elira, welcome. It's great to have you here.
It's wonderful to be here, Bren. I'm excited about today's topic. WhatsApp is such a ubiquitous part of our lives, yet we rarely stop to think about its impact on our communication habits and relationships, both personal and professional.
Absolutely, Elira. WhatsApp is more than just a messaging app. It's become a cornerstone in how we interact. What are your thoughts on how it compares to other social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram?
WhatsApp indeed occupies a unique space. Unlike Facebook, where the social element is much more public, WhatsApp is deeply personal and intimate. It's like hosting a private conversation in a public cafe. Your interactions are enclosed within the app, shielded from the broader world. That's attractive to many users who seek private yet fluid conversations.
Right. And its group chat feature has transformed personal and professional group dynamics tremendously. It allows for multiple conversations to happen at once, keeping everyone involved almost instantaneously. Have you seen WhatsApp significantly influence group settings, perhaps in your professional interactions?
Definitely, Bren. In my field, group conversations on WhatsApp are invaluable for facilitating quick decision-making and sharing critical updates on a therapy plan. But interestingly, it also helps build camaraderie within teams. There's an informal aspect to messaging that eases rigid professional hierarchies. That said, it also blurs the lines between work hours and personal time, which can be a double-edged sword.
That's such an insightful point. The erosion of personal time is something I want to circle back to. Let's talk a little about privacy concerns, which is another elephant in the room. WhatsApp prides itself on end-to-end encryption, yet privacy remains a persistent concern for many. How do you think this impacts user trust and behavior on the platform?
Privacy is paramount, Bren. Trust in WhatsApp's encryption is mainly high, yet there's an inherent skepticism about data retention and usage. Users sometimes forget that while their messages are encrypted, metadata can still be collected. People are becoming more conscientious about what they share and with whom, though inevitably, convenience often trumps privacy in everyday use.
It's an interesting juxtaposition, valuing privacy, yet engaging in potentially less secure behaviors. But, stepping away from the privacy aspect for a moment, how do you see WhatsApp influencing cultural change? Any particular trends in how it's used across different regions or communities?
WhatsApp has tremendous cultural flexibility, Bren. For instance, in regions where cellular service is costly but internet access via Wi-Fi is abundant, WhatsApp becomes a lifeline for connectivity. It molds itself to cultural needs, promoting community events, local news, and even grassroots political movements. I once read about a small town in Italy where all local governance updates were disseminated via a communal WhatsApp group.
Wow, that's a fantastic example of community integration. It's fascinating how versatile the platform can be. You mentioned earlier the impact of WhatsApp's convenience over privacy. Let's expand on that. Do you think there's a generational divide regarding these priorities?
There's definitely a divide. Younger generations, often called digital natives, view WhatsApp as an extension of their fingertips. They prioritize ease of communication over potential privacy sacrifices. In contrast, older generations tend to be more cautious and consider implications more thoroughly before adopting new digital behavior. However, this divide is slowly diminishing as WhatsApp becomes integral to cross-generational communication.
That's an excellent observation, Elira. It's the universal appeal bridging age gaps that makes it so pervasive. I want to address WhatsApp's non-traditional role as a social media platform. While not conventional compared to Facebook or Twitter, how do you feel it fits within the social media ecosystem?
Its inclusion as a social media platform is certainly unconventional but warranted. WhatsApp facilitates direct, small-scale interaction, which contrasts with the broadcast nature of typical social media, but encompasses the sharing of ideas, media, and emotions. This microsocial network essence tailors more authentic connections, making it a vital player in the ecosystem.
That's very true, Elira. It maintains an intimacy that's rare in larger platforms, but still achieves varied engagement levels and sharing. Can you think of any specific ways WhatsApp has influenced or been influenced by media trends?
WhatsApp has influenced the trend of ephemeral messaging, popularized by platforms like Snapchat. The status feature borrows this temporary visibility, echoing stories from Instagram or Facebook. The platform adapts these trends into its ecosystem, making them suited for private consumption. It's a brilliant study in the hybridization of communication and media consumption.
Absolutely, adapting trends while maintaining its foundation of private communication. Before we wrap up, what do you foresee in the evolution of WhatsApp? How might it continue to evolve in both personal and business contexts?
WhatsApp's continual refinement will likely include an increase in business integration. Already we're seeing WhatsApp Business facilitating customer service automation and direct client interaction. On the personal front, expect artificial intelligence enhancements and expanded cross-compatibility with other tools and platforms, further weaving itself into our daily fabric.
An exciting future indeed. Thank you, Elira, for sharing your insights into WhatsApp. It's been a truly engaging discussion. To our listeners, thank you for tuning in to this episode of Social Media. We hope you enjoyed exploring WhatsApp's unique role and impact across different facets of life. Until next time, take care and stay connected.